Hey everybody, I'm Matt Brooks. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some rainbow Rice Krispie treats. Let's get it started. First thing we're going to want to do is toast the Rice Krispies. So here we've got 3 cups of Rice Krispies. We're going to put it over low heat and toast them for about 5 to 7 minutes. While these are toasting, and we'll play a game. Alright. You guys want to play? Yeah! I'll get the hang of this. I think I won. Penalty. Oh. You know what? I don't want to get dirty. But if you want to play dirty, we're going to have to. Alright guys, we're all toasted here. Let's set these aside and start with our next steps. The next thing we're going to do is brown our butter. So I've got 7 tablespoons of butter here. Let's put that over low heat. Alright, our butter's about brown. Next thing we're going to do is throw in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Hear that sizzle. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we melt the marshmallows. So we've got about half of them melted. We can probably turn off the heat because it's going to be hot enough to melt the rest of them. Marshmallows are pretty well melted, so we're going to gently fold in our toasted Rice Krispies. And then to add our rainbow color, we're going to throw in the 4 cups of Fruity Pebbles. You can hear them crunching. Now they're all pretty well combined. We'll put them in our baking dish and let them cool. So these are going to cool for about an hour and a half, and then they'll be ready to cut and serve. Alright guys, Rice Krispie treats are set and ready to cut. Rainbow there.